everyone, welcome back. If you want to ask questions to the Meta AI, it is very easy and works like chatting with a friend. First, open the Meta AI in any supported app like WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, or Meta AI app. Next, tap on the chat box or AI icon to start typing your question. You can ask anything like facts, help, ideas, or explanation. Let's say your question would be the antonym of the word practice, and then send the question. After sending a message, wait a few seconds and then Meta AI will give you a reply with useful information. You can continue the conversation by asking more questions or asking to explain it in a simpler way. That's it. You know how to ask questions on Meta AI easily. Thanks for watching and see you in the next